how to solve Microsoft Teams notification problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, what you have to do is make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft Teams. To do so, head over to your Play Store, then search for Teams, and if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Microsoft Teams. Next, what you can do is go to Settings, then go to Apps, find Microsoft Teams application, tap on it, then tap on Notifications, and if it deliver quietly is checked, simply uncheck it and then select Allow Sound and Vibration. Then go to Notification Categories and enable all these if whichever that you need. Or next step, go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.